Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Monday evening, June 30th, 2025, and we have a great mix of environmental and energy headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Investor news breaks. Vivakor Inc., NASDAQ, VIVK, poised for opportunity at the nexus of energy and innovation. Vivakor Inc. is strategically positioned at the intersection of energy and innovation, ready to meet the growing demand for cleaner practices and corporate accountability. The company, known for its environmental services and oilfield fluid management, is committed to both profitability and environmental responsibility. Vivakor is focused on expanding its environmental services segment, investing in infrastructure for waste oil processing, and advancing technologies to reduce emissions. By positioning itself in the sustainable energy landscape, Vivakor is set to play a crucial role in the future of energy production and environmental innovation.
Investor news breaks. ESGold Corp, CSAU, OTCUF, doubles Montauban facility footprint to support gold and silver production ramp-up. ESGold Corp announced the doubling of its Montauban project mine building to 4,000 square feet to support gold and silver production. The upgraded facility will include crew accommodations, control rooms, a secure lab, and an expanded gold room for door storage. ESGold is also awaiting lab results from railbed pre-concentrate samples, an updated preliminary economic assessment, and final ambient noise tomography imaging to refine its processing model and exploration plans. ESGold Corp is a fully permitted pre-production resource company focused on clean mining and exploration innovation in Quebec, advancing projects toward production while delivering long-term value through sustainable resource recovery and exploration. Offshore solar test project opens the door to certification standards. A new research project, North Sea 2 NS2, has shared results from testing floating offshore solar panels. Partners Oceans of Energy, Deltares, TNO, and DNV conducted tests in the Deltares Delta Flume to simulate ocean waves. As solar energy expands offshore, the market for stationary energy storage systems is expected to grow. Companies like SolarBank Corp, SUN, are focused on this emerging sector, poised for significant growth. Mining news breaks. ESGold Corp, OTQB, ESAF, doubles Montauban facility footprint to support gold and silver production ramp-up. ESGold Corp announced the doubling of its Montauban project mine building to 4,000 square feet to support gold and silver production. The upgraded facility will include crew accommodations, control rooms, a secure lab, and an expanded gold room for door storage. ESGold is also awaiting lab results, an updated preliminary economic assessment, and final ambient noise tomography imaging to refine its processing model and exploration plans. ESGold Corp is a fully permitted pre-production resource company focused on clean mining and exploration innovation in Quebec. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Ucore Rare Metals Inc., UURAF, secures multi-million-dollar funding from U.S. Department of Defense to strengthen rare earth independence. Ucore Rare Metals Inc. has secured an $18.4 million funding agreement from the U.S. Department of Defense to support the development of its rare earth processing facility in Louisiana. The funding validates Ucore's technological leadership and underscores the strategic value of domestic rare earth element processing. This milestone is a significant step towards American independence in the global rare earth element supply chain, which is currently dominated by China. These materials are essential for defense systems, electronics, and clean energy, making this funding crucial for strengthening national security and reducing dependence on imports.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.